Well guys, I'm going to show you how to replace the Upstream O2 sensor on your Hyundai Elantra. Now mine's a 2008 and this could work between the years of 07 and 10 Hyundai Elantras. It might work on the 01s to 06s as well. I'm not positive on that, but I believe it's a similar setup. So first thing we're gonna do is obviously pop the hood, which I've already done. I just got to open it. And it's right there. Now, you see that connector down there? If you follow it, there's your plug. You just have to unplug it first and foremost. And see that little clip here? Just gotta loosen it from that. So I'm gonna do that really quick. So hang tight. Okay, so now I've gotten that loose. As you can see, this comes right out. So then here you have it. There's the old plug, the old O2 sensor just chilling there. Now we're just gonna grab our tool. Don't mind the car, it is dirty, but it's winter time, so it's due for spring cleaning. Anyway, I got the special O2 sensor socket. This works so that it goes on and you turn it because of the wire, you know, the wires that go in here. So I got my extender, which I have a long one and a short one. I might not need that much, but just in case, I may need the extra length. All right. I'm going to take it here. See what I mean with the opening? So we're just gonna try and get on in there until you get a good grip. Make sure you turn the rotation on the correct way. And you just kind of keep playing with the cord here, because as you're rotating it, obviously. All right. And there's our old sensor. So obviously you're gonna want to compare with the new one. You don't have to if you know for sure what you're doing. I'm just gonna throw that old one down there. Now we're gonna open our box. I got an NTK one. I got all my stuff from Rock Auto. Come on, there we go. So here we go. We're gonna put our new one in. That's kind of nice. It's pre-greased. It's good to know if you ever get an NTK O2 sensor. So then we go back to our front here, and just go in there by hand. You just kind of, until it grabs on. Here we go. And we just tighten. Alright. You don't have to overkill it, just enough. It's enough that you can't turn it anymore comfortably. If you're straining yourself, you shouldn't. Alright. And now we just kind of feed this. And now we're gonna plug it in. Okay, sorry about that. I ran out of storage on my SD card, so I'm gonna pop a new one in. However, got the new O2 sensor in. I clipped it back in here and plugged it into the plug. So I'm gonna show you how to reset the engine light. And it's some things you have to buy. It's not a lot of money at all, actually. I'll move everything over here. Start it up really quick. Okay. So, as you can see, my engine light's still on. Got the new O2 sensor in there, and check engine light is still on. So I'm going to show you really quick. You can get one of these on Amazon for 15 bucks. Totaling for me, it was around $21 to $22 with shipping and everything. Don't quote me on that. I don't know if prices have changed recently. I got this almost 2 years ago, so I'm just gonna plug it in. And we'll shut this. Shut the car off for now. Got my tablet here. I usually use my phone. Anyway, I use an app called Torque. Just open that really quick. And no. So you turn the key until all the dash lights come on. It's that moment before you start the engine without starting it. So and once you're in the Torque app, before you go into the Torque app, you want to make sure your device is connected to Bluetooth. My device is called OBD2, simple as that in the Bluetooth settings. So you're going to go to fault codes, and it's not showing codes because I mainly read the codes with my phone, not this, but I wanted to show you guys on my tablet. Okay, you hit OK. By the way, that was the 3 dots, and you hit clear codes on, or clear faults on ECU. While it's doing that, it just cleared them. Start the car. And your check engine light should be off. And so you just drive around, go to the store, do whatever you got to do, and if your light doesn't come back on, you know you fixed your problem. So far so good. Everything's running as it should. Let's double check everything under here. And you should be all set. That's how you change an Upstream O2 sensor on a 2008 Hyundai Elantra. Like I said, same as any 07 to 10. And actually, I believe the Elantra Touring as well. Alright, hope this video helps. Any questions, just post in the comments or message me. Thanks.